Audio Jungle.
This is High-Tech News TV News. Chennai Phoenix Market City, Chennai, the city's premier lifestyle destination blending shopping, dining and immersive experiences successfully concluded its 3-day extravaganza vlogs on Wagyu Wedding Gala, the first of its kind small event that recreated the grandeur of an Indian wedding, transporting visitors into a festive wonderland with a fake wedding experience, bride and groom audience, Sangeet and Mehendi and more. The gala showcased exclusive festive and wedding collections from leading brands including Malabar Gold and Diamonds, Daswa Kalanikithan, Koski Park Avenue, Raymond Ethnic Search, Avadhantra and Kushal's, offering shoppers the ultimate wedding session inspiration. Beauty and grooming intelligence was elevated, the stylizing zones powered by Colabar and Tira Dison, while Nails and Beyond added flair their bespoke nail artistry. Guests were welcomed with curated blends from Mayop created a personalized touch to the celebrations. The event was seamlessly executed by the site media, the official promotions partner. The mall's F&B partners Punjab Grill, Rajasthani and Chaiwala further enriched the gala with a delegated spread. The event rather on overwhelming responses with 100 plus influencers amplifying buzz on one day along with 3000 plus visitors engaging in 5 festivals on day 2 and a spectacular finale of day 3. The celebrations concluded with a high energy karaoke night led by the popular Sing Along Chennai band where thousands joined in to sing, shop and celebrate. Vlogs and work seamlessly blended the essence of weddings with fashion, beauty, entertainment, and lifestyle, creating an exceptional and novel experience in Chennai malls. With its vibrant mix of shopping and culinary delights, the 3-day gala set a new benchmark for the grand celebrations with a larger than life shopping experience.